Hello everyone. Today, we are covering the 5 best spiralizers on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our best pick for the money is Spiralizer 7-Blade Vegetable Slicer. One of the main appeals of Spiralizers is the ease with which they transform zucchini and squash into zoodles. This 7-blade Spiralizer is ideal for making zoodles because it has the following versatile blades: angel hair, fine shredding, coarse shredding, curly fries, coarse wavy blend, fine wavy blend, and flat blade, so there's bound to be a shape you're interested in trying out. And if you're not sure what to make, there's a convenient recipe booklet included with your Spiralizer to get your creative juices flowing as you crank out spirals of zucchini, carrots, and more. If you have a handheld Spiralizer and want to upgrade to the countertop version, this model will allow you to, literally, crank out an endless supply of zoodles. Conveniently suction this onto your countertop so there won't be any worries about a rogue vegetable or accidental injury. Simply use one hand to push forward on the lever and the other to crank. Don't you love it? You're covered by a lifetime replacement policy. What we love: strong suction cups, 7 versatile blades. Blades are strong and ultra sharp. Blades are clearly labeled. Includes a lifetime replacement policy. What we don't love: plastic base may not be as sturdy for large veggies. Number 2. Our second best pick is Fullstar 4-in-1 Vegetable Spiralizer. Though compact in size and simple in design, this Fullstar 4-in-1 Spiralizer makes it easy to get your favorite veggies turned into noodles without too much effort. This manual Spiralizer comes complete with an easy-to-remove bottom and top on the provided storage container, so you can store a small amount of leftovers for the following day with ease, or simply spiralize right over a plate for immediate eating or cooking. There's no swapping out blades based on which shape you're looking to create. Just press the appropriate button, as indicated in your manual, to make the noodles of your dreams. Unfortunately, the buttons are not labeled, so it may take some time to remember which buttons indicate which noodle size. What we love: compact design, easy to use, storage container provided for spiralizing options. What we don't love: buttons are not labeled, storage is small. Number 3. Our third best pick is Veggetti Spiral Vegetable Cutter. If you're new to the concept of spiralizing veggies and want to give zoodles a try without breaking the bank, pick up a Veggetti Spiral Vegetable Cutter. It's the ideal entryway for beginners. The design is fairly simple, compact, and easy to use. Simply manually push food through the dual blades on either end with a twisting motion. Like more expensive models, you can spiralize many firm fruits and vegetables with the Veggetti. However, your hand does come quite close to the blade when you reach the end of your food, and the side handles are not the most comfortable to hold for an extended period of time. With proper use, you can easily spiralize fruits and vegetables without having to invest in a pricier option. What we love: easy to use, dual stainless steel blades, makes noodles as well as pricier options. What we don't love: minimal barrier between hands and blades closer to the end of the vegetable, can be difficult to clean. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is KitchenAid Spiralizer Plus attachment with peel, core, and slice. If you have a KitchenAid stand mixer, this spiralizer attachment will be an exciting addition to your collection. In addition to spiralizing fruits and veggies, this attachment also peels, cores, and slices. It comes with 7 quick change blades so you can get the most use out of your stand mixer: large core slice, small core slice, peel, extra fine spiralizing blade, fine spiralizing blade, medium spiralizing blade, and small core thin slice. Though it is pricier than other models, the KitchenAid Spiralizer attachment is made with durable stainless steel for long-lasting performance. When attached to the stand mixer, it is powered by the motor for easy operation. After use, tuck it away in the storage case, which is designed for easy access. What we love: includes 7 blades, motor-powered, storage case included. What we don't love: requires KitchenAid stand mixer, pricey. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is OXO Good Grips Tabletop Spiralizer. Anyone who enjoys vegetable noodles will benefit from investing in their own spiralizer. If you're looking for a tried and true model, the OXO Good Grips Tabletop Spiralizer is a fan favorite for good reason. It's complete with 3 interchangeable blades for spaghetti, fettuccine, and ribbon noodles. To operate, simply secure food to the multi-pronged food holder and use the rotating handle to push food through the blade, yielding smooth and uniform spirals. This spiralizer features a stronghold suction cup base for stability that won't damage your countertops and is easy to remove when complete. The suction cup creates a non-slip environment that is safe and stable to use without assistance from others and allows you to keep 2 hands on the device while in use. Plus, the box of blades is easy to store within the device, so it doesn't take up as much space in your cabinets as you may think. What we love, suction cup creates non-slip surface, folds up for compact storage, and a removable blade box. What we don't love, suction cups can be unreliable, plastic components may not be long-lasting. So, grab yours while you can. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.